Hi, I'm Mario, and this is the carpet frog. And I got the idea for this tool from a high school physics book. And I was a carpet installer for almost 60 years. And here's how this tool works. These feet are called anchors. They anchor and connect to the carpet fiber. This is the work portion where the work is actually done, and it pulls directly through the device. The only thing I need to do is transfer a little weight on this tool and push down on the handle. And you can see the carpet that I'm getting in front of the tool. Most of this wrinkle here is coming from the carpet pulling forward because I'm activating it here. Now this will release real quickly as soon as I take the pressure off of it. It'll actually release itself, as you can see here in the video. The only thing that's left is this slight projection here. That's because the tool springs outward towards laterally to minimize the pressure. You stretch all four walls, and the carpet is much tighter than knee kickers, pull stretchers, any tool you can think of. This will do a better job. And one thing you don't want to use is this tool called a knee kicker. The injury this tool causes is indicated in studies all over the world, United Kingdom, Denmark, as well as the US, and it's considered a very bad tool, and utilizing this can cause you considerable damage and also considerable injury. Thank you.